What's up guys, today we're going to work on my WR200 from '94. We are going to do the piston seals in the back. The front we already did it. Okay, right now we remove the brake. We still have to remove the brake line. Once that's done, we're going to put it on the table. Then we're going to remove the piston with some air. The caliper has been removed. The new parts are ready. In the future we are going to sandblast the brake calipers and paint them, but now we are just going to build it like that. We already bled the brakes. I didn't film it because we were doing it, and while doing it I forgot it. Sorry for that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It would be very nice. In the next episode we are going to put on a blinker relay and a new front fender to make the bike a little bit more fresh. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.
She isn't.